This is a Colt Cc01 bike check. Okay, first we got the Colt Vans grips. Got them today. Pretty nice. The Colt bars. Got the Animal Presidential bars with the 8.5 rise. Pretty nice. The stock Colt stem. Stock kind of tire with the stock front wheel. Stock forks. And I also got the bars today. Stock Colt frame. Pretty nice. The Kink Sexton pivotal seat. The Animal seat post. The Demolition PC pedals in purple. The Shadow interlock chain in silver. The Demolition fucking Momentum tire 2.2 times 2.0 and tan. It's got a lot of these parts today. Pretty nice. It's a hub sound.